कष्टांचे जाणीवांचे रुद्रनील फाउंडेशन, रुद्रनील फाउंडेशन.
A strong woman is a one who builds a house made up of bricks that are others thrown at her. With this beautiful line, I am Vinay Jagdish Chidke presenting a very wonderful topic that is all about women empowerment, need of an hour. Yeah, my friend, I am talking about women empowerment. What does it mean? It means that giving more opportunities to women to cope up with the world. Yeah, my friend, I am talking about the misconception of our society that women cannot do anything other than household works. No, it is not possible enough because women are having two brains that are emotional approach and practical approach. Yeah, they are coping with the 21st century, and if we are entering in a new generation, then we need a new mindset. As we can see many manuscripts in which the women are provided a special character, like Shivji has surrendered in front of Mahakali. She was a woman, as the best creature of the world that is chosen by God to give love to his all children is mom, a woman. Yeah, if we take the many example of Jijao, it is said that in Hindi हर इंसान की सफलता के पीछे एक औरत का हाथ होता है. That I am saying, and it doesn't mean that if we are not providing any kind of chance, then women cannot do it. If the responsibilities are less, if they are doing best, then if we provide them, then what will the case? They are doing best nowadays. If you see the many situations like colonel post, pilot post, they are doing best. Recently, a colonel woman was appointed for the colonel relationship with the army. She was first colonel of our Indian army. So I think that it is good for us too. Because if we see 33% quota provided by our government to the women, they are doing best. But the misconception of many husbands that if his wife would be a sarpanch, then he would be called a sarpanch pati, as he is making all the decisions. He is making all the decisions instead of the sarpanch of the village. That is a woman. So I think that is a misconception. In this situation, many people who are working for caste, creed and the fame and power, most of them are men. So I think that this is not a possible way. If women would be there, then this would not be the situation like this, because women are having the clear and clear example and responsibilities for themselves. They are having a good behavior. They are doing really best. So this is all that I am trying to say. It is all that women empowerment is really necessary for our lives, because the current situation, if we think about the Chinese ministers, they are not doing good, and if there would be a woman, then this would be right. So it means that the Biocoin, the CEO of Biocoin company, a woman is controlling the whole company, and we can see where is Biocoin. So what the thing that comes is women are also like men. It is not about any caste creed that is coming out. So I think that there should be a new concept. We are not saying that to follow others, but we should start from ourselves. From ourselves, for our own company, for our own family. We should provide more and more chance to women to cope up with the world. Yeah, thank you for watching my video.